The art of strategic promotion. Techniques and tips to maximize conversions and revenue as an affiliate marketer. The art of strategic promotion. Techniques and tips to maximize conversions and revenue as an affiliate marketer. Host. Welcome back, fellow affiliate marketers. Today, we're diving deep into the art of strategic promotion. We'll be sharing valuable techniques and tips to help you maximize conversions and revenue in your affiliate marketing journey. So, let's get started. Host. As an affiliate marketer, it's not just about finding great products or services to promote. The key lies in how you strategically promote them to your target audience. Let's explore some techniques and tips that will take your promotional efforts to the next level. Guest. How do you know your audience? Host. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Research their preferences, pain points, and what motivates them. This knowledge will help you tailor your promotions to resonate with their needs. Guest. How do you create compelling content? Host. Engaging and valuable content is the backbone of successful promotion. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, provide informative and engaging content that educates your audience and showcases the benefits of the products or services you're promoting. Guest. How do you leverage SEO strategies? Host. Search engine optimization, SEO, can significantly impact your visibility and organic traffic. Conduct keyword research, optimize your content with relevant keywords, and focus on creating high-quality backlinks to improve your search engine rankings. Guest. How do you utilize email marketing? Host. Building a targeted email list allows you to establish a direct line of communication with your audience. Send regular newsletters, exclusive promotions, and personalized recommendations to drive conversions and build a loyal customer base. Guest. How do you embrace social media engagement? Host. Social media platforms offer vast opportunities to connect with your audience. Engage with your followers, participate in relevant communities, and leverage influencer collaborations to expand your reach and drive conversions. Host. Now that we've explored these techniques, let's move on to some quick tips to further boost your affiliate marketing success. Host. Tip number 1. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships to maintain transparency and trust with your audience. Host. Tip number 2. Test and track your promotions to identify what works best for your audience and optimize your strategies accordingly. Host. Tip number 3. Focus on building relationships with your audience by providing exceptional value and personalized recommendations. Host. Tip number 4. Stay up to date with industry trends and product launches to ensure you're promoting the latest and most relevant offerings. Host. Tip number 5. Continuously analyze your results, learn from your successes and failures, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Host. And there you have it, the art of strategic promotion for affiliate marketers. By implementing these techniques and tips, you can maximize conversions and revenue in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, creating compelling content, leveraging SEO strategies, and utilizing effective email marketing and social media engagement. Don't forget to stay transparent with your audience, track your results, and continuously learn and adapt. Guest. How soon will I see results? Host. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that success as an affiliate marketer doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, consistent effort, and the willingness to learn and evolve. But with the right strategies and a passion for what you promote, you can achieve remarkable results in a short time. Guest. This has been beneficial. How do I learn more? Host. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about affiliate marketing and maximizing your revenue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We regularly share valuable insights, tips, and interviews with industry experts. Guest. Thanks. How much can I earn? Host. Remember, fellow affiliate marketers, the art of strategic promotion is a skill that can take your earnings to new heights. So, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this exciting industry. Host. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy promoting.